why should private practice owners care about tariffs? Let's break it down. Tariffs are essentially taxes, taxes that imposed on imported goods. So trade wars happen when countries retaliate with more tariffs. It's a game of economic ping pong, and we are the ones stuck in the middle. Country A increases tariffs by 10%, then country B retaliates by increasing their tariffs by 15%. Country A again retaliates by increasing tariffs to 30% and then 35%, and so on and so forth. So this is what happens with those wars, trade wars. So you might think now that, okay, I'm a physical therapist, I'm a medical doctor, I run a private practice in healthcare, and I am not an importer, I'm a clinician, I'm a business owner. Well, guess what? Your treatment tables, your medical equipment, your electrical stimulation machines, and your ultrasounds, and your lasers, and your electrodes, and the gowns, and the uh, table paper, and all of the supplies that you have in your physical therapy or medical practice, those are made somewhere else. They are made in China or other countries, or parts of those are made in other countries. Just recently, there was a 10% and then 35% hike on Chinese imports. That really sent shockwaves throughout the entire rehab industry because prices of medical devices started increasing. And not only that, but supplies, medical supplies and office supplies prices started increasing dramatically. And if you think that it does not affect you, ask yourself, have you delayed equipment lately? Has your vendor increased prices without explanation? Or have patients complained about rising visit costs? All right. So when you go to order something from Amazon or from a local vendor, how do these prices compare today to what they were yesterday? And keep in mind that right now, there are still suppliers that they have inventory of items they have purchased prior to the increasing of tariffs. So they are still able to contain, to maintain previous prices. So, but what will happen in a month from now, in 2 months from now, and because there is currently a moratorium of 90 days on specific countries for increase of tariffs, what will happen in 4 months from now? These are things that we really have to take into account.